Alright, folks. So I know I had stopped trading for like a month now due to school and everything. So now basically all we're going to be doing, I'm going to start back the process of trading. We have to back test, etc. But for this video in particular, I'm going to back test. Also what I am going to be doing is showing you how much money I make my YouTube so far. You'll be surprised. And we're going to just run through one back test. So yes, we're going to try and turn at about $50. We use $50 to $1,000 in back testing, and then my main account we can probably have like about $200 or $250. I'm going to see if we can carry that to at least $1,000. So what we're practicing is a bit more insane than what we're going to actually do, so it should be much more easier. Yeah, and kind of get rusty and do trading and thing, but bear me. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, I'm going to have to upgrade back to pro version so I can actually do pro back testing. But actually want you guys to watch this video. Basically it's new and trading view, so I guess here goes nothing basically.
People see me way up on a cliff, climbing without a rope. And they think, that guy's crazy. How can he take such a risk? But what they don't see is the preparation. The work that happens before the climb. Physical and mental.
It's like slightly scary.
The highs and lows. The confidence and doubts. First you train, then you commit. Any great reward comes with risk. The folks at TradingView understand that readiness is the key to success, whether you're trading equities or climbing a cliff. TradingView. Look first, then leap.
Woo! The next thing y'all going to know, well, I'm going to share on my YouTube. So currently have 164 subscribers, and as you can see I have $11.83, which is kind of good seeing I've just been releasing one videos and my views aren't the best, but still working at it, we're still going at it regardless. So now we're going to just do backtesting. So I am going to pay for TradingView. I'll pay for it, and then you're going to see the charts. Plus I'm going to just run back through this overall. So just give me well, it won't take any time for you guys. Alright, folks. Alright, so in the meantime, I was supposed to make, while I clean up the chart basically, I was supposed to actually make a video on my net worth, but some things happened. Actually, phone dropped in the water and I had to get another phone. That's really getting this video because it's relatively easier for me to edit, and I don't want to leave you guys hanging. But let's have that. It don't really matter actually. So we'll jump to this. So if you're new here, basically this is the chart that we used to backtest. So we're going to do the 10k challenge. So we're going to see if we can turn 100 to 10,000. I'm serious. We're going to just do that in backtest. Okay. Just go right there. Alright, so this is where we're going to start trading from. So our thing already, we'll find where market kind of is this for a while. So we'll see if price has ever come back to this point, or this is just some for a new high that we are going to be working with. So price don't seem like it ever good here. So alright, what we're going to do, we're going to make it play out. So we're going to make it play out. I'm going to speed up this a little bit. Alright, so this is what I'm noticing. I don't know if you guys even seeing it or anything, but if you look at all this this is basically a trend line. Probably still rusty on the whole. analyzing because I did put on everything, but for the most part, you can say this is an upward trend line, basically upward trend line for the 1 hour time frame. Bam, 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 bam. But when you actually go down to chart, you notice like, alright, market been doing a little thing like this. So if you notice, so go down to break and then it up here, so but it's still consolidating at this price range as well. So basically, what we're going to do, we're going to make it play out. We're going to see if either it going to break these zones that we set out, like if it comes under here, so we can probably get an entry if it retests, although it can be a potential that it just bouncing off the zone, but we prefer the roof floor being broken and then work from there. So we're going to make it go and play out and see what happens. So basically consolidating, we don't really trade in consolidation. Beginner guys do not trade in consolidation. Alright, so just wait it out, wait till market breaks structure. So it's still breaking. This is taking way too long. Alright, so probably gone back a little bit, but what I would have done, because alright, our aim is to ensure that when here, so this particular point and this particular point touch is like a price movement overall if you check the levels. So when here, so touch, so it's been touching, and then it break. So it break and it retest right here, so but then come down and then break and it confirm-ish. So I would have probably enter just because I'm speed up too much a little bit right there. So it retest right here, so now I would want it to fall, so it's two combination. One, it form below the trend line, and then two, it or support, it fall below it. So we would want it to actually just play and then do like even alright, so this right here, so now, so you basically say, alright, remember can go check my videos, I'll leave some description up here, so but you remember break, push, and then we're hoping for it to come down. So basically, alright, so see there, break, push, come down, break, push. So that's basically what the market is doing right now. And what I want to do is to see where it can potentially go. So you have certain levels, it can come here and turn back over. You can also come all the way down here, just continuing with the previous movement. So what we're going to do, one, before we enter our thing, what we're going to do is we're going to clear about this. So we already see what we're going to do. So our entry would be a sell, would sell right here and try to keep our stop loss just above where the market wicked for the previous one. And then we're going to try get like a 1 to 3, even though it looks slim right now, but 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 2.5. We're going to see what happens. So basically, price broke support and broke trend line formation, after consolidating for this particular period and respecting roof. So it just basically shows your price wants to turn over. And if you look on it on a holistic view, you see that basically the market just want to come back over now and get all of these played with. Okay, so what we're going to know is let the trade play out and then we document the process. So win or loss, our first video, win or lose, let's see what happens. We can get wick out, we can get a lot of things, but let's see what takes place. Okay, look like it won't turn over. Just speed this up a little bit, see if we lose faster. So this is like one beauty of trading where you can speed up the process to see if you would win, lose. And this is our first thing, so we're going to see what happens. So you see you touch right here, so but you see it continuing the downtrend and it breaks right here. So we'll probably win this trade, but we're not sure. So we'll see what going on. See what is going on. It's consolidating, taking hella long. Okay, this trade would have probably been only this trade for like 2-3 days. See, alright, so we'll basically get stopped out. Would we? Not yet. Come on. Alright, so see there, we'll get stopped out. So the first trade we lost $5 you know, you win some, you lose some. This is our practice. So, you know, so one we did predict, you know, say would have come right here. So, and it did. The thing is, I think, because I wouldn't normally take a lot. My pips right now are like 10 at best. So, but I think the mistake that we made, and that's why it's good to practice, is that we didn't go low. Okay, even though it's 1 hour look at videos and things. But I think if we went to the 15 minutes, we could probably have gotten a better entry. So still the breakdown. Yeah, so probably would have gotten a better entry in 15 minutes. And so if this was even, say, we entered somewhere right here, so and you put it in the part before, it would be this right there. Then automatically, or everything would have, this is 1 to 7, so 1 to 3, and we would have won, basically would have won that trade. But I don't want you to see that, oh yeah, we start off winning. I just want to show you the concept, show you what, plus I need to backtest a little more and get back in the groove. So this is where I'm gonna leave you guys. I want to continue backtesting for a little bit before I go, but I don't want this video to be too long, because it's already long already. So love you guys, peace. Make sure to smash the like button, comment, share, subscribe, and trust me, 2 fantastic videos are coming out in the upcoming week. I might give you even 2 of them in 1 week. So yeah, that's it. Love you guys. Catch you next video. Peace.